She's built herself up from rock bottom more times than she can count. Lost people she thought would always be there. Faced situations that almost broke her. And still found a way to rebuild everything piece by piece. So failure doesn't scare her anymore. Pain doesn't hit the same way. And setbacks don't stop her. Because she knows from experience that no matter how hard life hits her, she has the mindset, strength, discipline, and resilience to rebuild everything again, learn from it, and come back even stronger every single time, without needing anyone to save her.